In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Generative Fill in Adobe Express. This is a powerful way to add, replace, or refine parts of an image using AI, and it's designed to be fast, intuitive, and fun. By the end, you'll know how to set up your image, describe what you want, refine the area to edit, and finalize your design for download or sharing. Start on the Adobe Express homepage and look for the Generative AI option. This opens the workspace where all the AI-powered tools live. From here, head to Insert Object and choose Upload Image to bring in the photo you want to work on. Pick a clear, well-lit image if you can. The AI tends to produce more believable results when it has good detail to reference. Next, you'll see a field labeled Make Whatever You Imagine. This is where your prompt goes. Describe the change you want to see in plain language. For example, add a red umbrella, replace the sky with a sunset, or remove the trash can and fill with matching background. The more specific you are about color, style, size, and placement, the better the results will match your vision. In the Generative Fill panel, adjust the brush size slider to choose how large or small your brush should be. A larger brush is great for broad areas like skies or backgrounds, while a smaller brush gives you precision for edges, hands, or small objects. Take a moment to pick a size that fits the area you plan to edit. Now, use the brush tool to highlight the exact area you want to change. Paint over the object you want to add or replace, or the space where you want the new element to appear. Aim to cover just the relevant area. Clean selections help the AI blend edges more naturally with lighting and texture. When your area is marked and your prompt is ready, select Generate. The AI will create a set of options based on your description. Review the results and look closely at lighting, shadows, and perspective to see which version feels the most natural. If nothing quite hits the mark yet, select Generate More to see additional options with the same prompt. When you find the one you like, select Keep, then select the Close button to return to your design and continue customizing. This is a great moment to adjust layout, add text, or fine-tune colors so everything feels cohesive. Finally, select the Download button to save your design to your device, or choose Share to post it directly to your online audience. And that's it! Your Generative Fill workflow in Adobe Express from start to finish.